Welcome back to HCT Tech. In this video, I'll show you how to download and install Microsoft Office 2024 step by step. Start by creating a new folder on your desktop and name it Office 2024. This folder will hold all your installation files. Now, open your browser and download the Office Deployment Tool from Microsoft's official website. Once downloaded, run the setup file. When prompted, extract the contents into the Office 2024 folder. Next, open your browser and search for Office Customization Tool. Click on the official Microsoft link. Now, let's configure your Office package. First, under Product and Releases, select 64-bit architecture. Then choose Office LTSC Professional Plus 2024 Volume License. In the Apps section, turn on the applications you want to install and turn off the ones you don't need. Next, select your preferred language. For example, English United States. Click Next to continue. On the installation screen, keep the default settings and click Next. In Update and Upgrade, turn off the option that says Uninstall any MSI version of Office. Then, click Next. For license and activation, leave everything as it is and click Next. In the General section, leave default settings and click Next again. Now, under Application Preferences, leave everything unchanged and click Finish. Click Export. Choose Office Open XML formats. Accept the license terms and click Export again. Now move the downloaded Configuration.xml file into the Office 2024 folder. Next, cut the entire Office 2024 folder and paste it into Drive C. Open the folder in Drive C and delete the file named Configuration Office 365x64 XML. Now, run Command Prompt as administrator. Type the command. Then press Enter. Next, open your browser and search for Deploy Office LTSC 2024 site. Click the official Microsoft link. Scroll down to find the command. Setup Configure Configuration. Copy it. Go back to Command Prompt, paste it, and press Enter. Now the installation process will begin. Office 2024 will be downloaded and installed automatically. This may take some time, depending on your internet speed. Once the installation is finished, You'll see a confirmation message. Now, go to the Start menu and search for Word. Open the app. Accept the license agreement and click Close. Click on Blank Document, and you're ready to use Office 2024. To check activation status, go to File, then click Account. If it shows that activation is required, don't worry. Activating Office 2024 takes just a few seconds using the same method as Windows. Watch my previous video. The link is in the description. Just choose Office Activation instead of Windows Activation. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to HCT Tech and check out the full guide in the description below. Thanks for watching.